Do you have a set of items that you are looking to show in multiple Notion pages? What's worse is that if you need to make a change to this set of items, you will have to change them one by one. Doesn't sound sustainable to me. What if I told you that Notion has a tool that can help you solve this issue with minimal effort? Introducing Sync Blocks. Sync Blocks allows you to maintain a set of information on as many pages as you want without going through the hassle of changing the information for each page. If you're interested in Sync Blocks, stay tuned as we do a quick tutorial on how you can get it set up. Hi, my name is Notion Rizon, and I post Notion tips and tricks videos to help beginners and experts better understand Notion. If you do enjoy content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button to be in a constant loop of my latest tips and tricks. Without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Sync Block is amazing because it not only allows you to maintain a set of information on multiple pages easily, it also allows you to build a navigation bar in your Notion workspace, which can be very handy as your workspace expands. So you're probably asking, Notion Rizon, how do I use Sync Blocks? Well, let's talk about that now, shall we? First, hit on the / key and then type Sync Blocks. A window will pop up with the option to select an advanced block feature, then hit the enter key to select the sync block into your Notion page. This means that you can key in text, images, or even add new Notion pages within the sync block. Add the information that you'd like to add into your sync block now. After you've added your information into the sync block, left click on the inside of the sync block and there should be two options provided at the top right corner, which says editing an original / page name and copy and sync. Hit on copy and sync. Now, to include the same set of information onto another page, we will create a brand new page to showcase it. But you can do this to any existing pages that you have with the same steps. In the new page, I will then paste onto the page and you should see the sync block with the information previously inputted there. A little bonus here, if you'd like to edit anything from the sync block, you do not have to go to the original page to do so. Just edit it onto any page that contains the existing sync block, and the changes will automatically be applied to the other pages as well. There you have it, a quick guide on what is sync block and how you can use it to improve your overall Notion workspace. I would love to hear how you'll be using sync block, so do comment down below on how you plan to use it. If you've enjoyed my content, do consider hitting the subscribe button to follow more of my content relating to Notion, where we post about tips and tricks and perhaps template walkthroughs as well. Till then, see ya.